Hey ninjas! Today we are going to create a low polygame asset. I have selected this sword's reference to use. I like this sword the most. Let's model something like this but not 100% similar. Let's start with the base of the sword. Base handle is looking nice. Let's model the upper part of the sword. We have to play with the edges and some extrude and insert. By far now you guys got the understanding of the basic modeling, like here you can see. I'm just doing basic stuff to model this sword. So here we have created our sword. I really like this model. Matter of fact, I can sell it on Sketchfab or something. Anyways guys, thanks for watching till here. See you in the next one.